Best wallet cases for Google Pixel 6. Android Central, 2021. While many missed having a rear fingerprint on the Google Pixel 6, replacing it with an in-screen sensor doubled the real estate open for card slots in wallet flaps. This means that Pixel 6 wallet cases can be 10 times better than in previous years when we were stuck with folios or ridiculously cramped card slots, and these are the best ones you can buy today. Like a Vault, VRS designed AMD Glide Pro, Staff Pick, card slot cases, and even most folio cases usually only have room for 2, maybe 3 cards, but VRS's heavy-duty case has room for 4. On top of that, VRS design's ruggedly handsome design features a steel-covered slide mechanism and rubber nibs atop to keep your phone stable on a table. $22 at Amazon. Detach and charge. Ghostek Exec. Ghostek's most recognizable Care series is one of a few rare detachable wallet cases that works well. The wallet section holds 4 cards securely, but when you're lazing about at home, it detaches for a more compact experience, allowing for wireless charging compatibility. Can't beat classic Kowauri leather wallet. This classic leather wallet folio case boasts 2 card slots and a cash flap, and when you load it up, magnetic clasps keep the case closed. Just keep in mind that because of the placement of the Pixel 6 volume rocker, that magnetic clasp covers up the volume down button when the case is closed. $11 at Amazon. Sleek and shiny. Spigen Slim Armor CS. Spigen's card slot case conceals 2 cards and cash while staying flat and understated. Available in black and rose gold. I adore the texturing near the top of the phone around the camera module, and the bumper around the camera module is well-rounded and robust. View at Amazon. Check Shopee Thailand. Undercover Carry. Televo dual-layer case with card slot holder. With huge sliding panels or exposed cards, most card slot cases couldn't be more obvious, but Televo's cover only opens at the bottom for a more covert experience. Also, while it can only hold 2 cards because the back is solid, it works better with phone grips. $16 at Amazon. Put a ring on it. Profer wallet case for Google Pixel 6 with card holder slot. Phone grips are wonderfully useful, but they also add bulk to a case and have a tendency to fall off. Profer prevents both by building a phone ring right into its card slot case. The whole back cover, where the cards and phone rings sit, can be pulled off for wireless charging at night too. $15 at Amazon. Slim and sleek Kouwari leather wallet case with credit card slot. Leather card slot cases are the best of both worlds, slimmer than folios and more premium feeling than hard plastic. This case will feel like a tight fit once you get more than 2 cards in it, but that's what the elastic is there for, to keep the cards in place with tension. It's not for everyone, but it's a distinct style and lets the case stay as thin as possible. $15 at Amazon. Cover it up. Foluu canvas flip wallet. Foloo's wallet cases have consistently covered Pixels, Galaxies, and dozens more phones over the last few years, making them an affordable, reliable option for the Pixel 6 while the wallet case market is thin. Available in 3 colors, this understated case has magnets to keep the wallet closed, but keep in mind they also cover the volume down button when closed. $11 at Amazon. Why card slots reign supreme among Pixel 6 wallet cases. While folios are the usual wallet case, we'd come across Google positioned the volume rocker too close to dead center on the right bumper. This means most folios shave an unfortunate defect. Any centered folio flap covers the volume down button and possibly the volume up button as well. If you still want a folio, it shouldn't interfere with your music while the case is in your purse, but you'll have to open it up to turn down the music. That said, card slot cases are neater and offer more possibilities overall for a Pixel 6 wallet case, especially now that we don't have a rear fingerprint sensor making card placement difficult. The VRS AMD Glide Pro is rugged and durable, while the Ghostek's removable wallet is distinct and easy to use separately are together, and the colors for the Televo boast a cool variety. If these wallet cases aren't buying your heart, you might be better off buying a slim elastic wallet and grabbing one of the best regular Pixel 6 cases. Instead, I've used an elastic wallet for over half a decade because they're super small, last half a decade easily, and fit into small pockets and purses much more easily than your grandpa's sweaty old trifold. We may earn a commission for purchases using our links. Learn more. Pro Protection Perfection. Best Google Pixel 6 Pro Cases 2021. If you're looking for Google Pixel 6 Pro cases, you might be wondering why it's so hard to find them this year. Well, we know why they're so hard to find, and the best cases you can buy right now. Bump it. Get started on your Pixel 6 journey with one of these cases. The Google Pixel 6 brought colorful style to the flagship party and a thick camera bump. Given how important the cameras on the Google Pixel 6 are, the best Pixel 6 cases blend grip protection and style into one complete package. Here are some of the best Pixel 6 cases to protect your new phone. Complicated power. Best Google Pixel 6 chargers 2021. The Pixel 6 is the first time Google has upped wired charging speeds in years, but there has been some debate over whether that newfangled 30W charger Google is selling is the one you need to buy. No, it's not, but we have the ones you should buy instead.